If I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking it first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had the skills since birth. Grinding, came out the mud like Roddy. I had no body, I came from dirt. Still came from...
Alright, we made it about halfway here. We're at Buc-ee's. Good old Buc-ee's. I was pretty worried about cruising alone because no one from my hometown wanted to come. But I ended up running into at least 10 other cars on the way, including this S5 over here. I think just about everybody in the car has to go pee now. Can you get out? You got it? We're gonna go pee and get some gas, maybe some snacks. 2.5 more hours to go.
My lash is poking my eyeball.
Almost 8 hours later, finally here at Glenstone Lodge. I'm gonna get unpacked. We're gonna do a little bit of non-car related stuff today for the family. Settle in, go eat, shop around a little bit, do a bunch of stuff that the kids can enjoy, and then we'll do a bunch of other car stuff, go to Jimmy's Market and stuff like that. But for now, we're gonna get unpacked. Ready?
It's under your name.
This is our view from the hotel room. My car's parked on the other side over there. And as far as other cars that are here for Slammedenuff, I really don't see anything besides that Subaru. We're going out to eat. We're at the Sunliner Diner. Little car themed restaurant. It's about 10 p.m. now. I'm on the Pigeon Forge Strip. Jimmy's Market, which is like the most popular place for everyone to meet, is shut down by the police. So I'm out here at Zoomers, which is another gas station, and it's pretty crowded out here. So we're gonna hop out, see what's out here, and check out the cars. I actually managed to snag a pretty good spot for the GTI. Hopefully it's actually worthy of this, but I mean, check this out. My first Slammedenuff in Gatlinburg, and it's not disappointing so far. Bro, check this GTI out. so much going on, I have no idea what to do.
There's too much to look at. It's fucking overstimulating. Are you getting any inspiration so far?
I don't see any LS400s, so no, not really.
There was a couple others.
I guess I should probably tell the camera I bought an LS400 because nobody knows that yet.
Oh shit, yeah. Camera, I bought an LS400. Get ready. It's going to be a crazy build in Seamount.
But there's literally cars everywhere. Look at this GLI. And another GLI. Or they kind of make me wish I got a GLI over the GTI just because they have more space. And then I see this GTI and I change my mind. I want my GTI still. We got drift cars. Cars are parking all the way back here on the back of the lot. Super clean Mark IV. This thing's got crazy fitment. Look at that. It's insane. They're literally squeezing cars in every crevice that they can get them in. This place is so packed. Look at the wheels on this vet. I could not leave here even if I wanted to. My car is on the other side of this blue car, so I'm stuck here. This is some kind of stanced Toyota camper that's literally just parked in the entrance of the parking lot. And a single cab is still on my list. I'm going to get a single cab at some point. Another clean GTI that makes me hate mine. So cooked now, there's no way I'm getting out of here. I'm literally boxed in every direction. There's no way I'm leaving. Well, I guess I'm gonna head over this way and see if anything else is filled in on this side. I can't go anywhere, so I might as well enjoy it. I actually came across Chained 2.0T from Common Traffic Mafia, and he said his car was parked over here somewhere, so maybe we can find that and check it out in person. It's kind of dark over here, but this is a wide-body Honda Accord, and this thing looks insane. It's got gold wheels, wide-body kit, and I can see through the glass a little bit. It's got a full custom interior. And then over here behind me, you got the Common Traffic Mafia Honda Accord. Pretty cool to see this in person after seeing it on TikTok for so long. Super cool dude. I met him over at the Zoomers gas station a second ago. What's up, guys? I just wanted to give a big shout out to Cape Glass Tinting here in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Thanks to them, we got some awesome top-notch window tint that keeps the ride cool and it looks awesome. I really appreciate the service and the quality of their product. I'll be dropping the link to their Google page in the description of this video, so make sure to go check it out, give them a good review, and tell them that Cody sent you. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll get you back to the Slammedenuff content. Look at this crazy wide body kit on the STI. Super clean S2K, and it's wrapped in brown, which I think is like a crazy choice, but it works. Like, it's really sick. Are rolling up. I don't know if they're to shut everything down or if they're just mad because this Toyota camper thing is parked right in the middle of the lot. I'm kind of hanging out near my car just in case I have to leave.
Hey, you're gonna have to move.
This is definitely getting shut down right now, so I'm literally hanging out right here next to my car. I can't leave. I literally can't leave. There's a car there, a car in front of me, and literally a car on each side of me, so I can't go anywhere. So they kicked out the Lambo driver, so we'll see. As of right now, nothing has been completely shut down. We'll see. It's still kind of crazy out here. It looks like it might finally be getting shut down. Everybody's rolling out. Unfortunately, I'm still boxed in, so I can't leave. Walk around, grab a couple pictures, and as soon as I can get out of here, I'm gonna head back to the hotel. I'm finally free. I'm not boxed in anymore. As soon as I think it's getting shut down, just as many cars that leave are starting to show back up. This very well could go on all night. So the cars that were here have all filtered out, and then a whole new set of cars has slowly shown up. So this meet is like way far from over. Damn. Bro, this Supra looks insane. So my plan was to sit out here at this meet until it ended or got shut down, but it's becoming very clear that this meet is not going to end. So I'm gonna go back to the hotel, chill out, get some sleep. But this trip is far from over. There's gonna be a lot more videos coming. So I hope you like this one. Stay tuned for the next one.